Welcome to the Memory Expert Tools, the Dominic System course. My name is Chris M. Nemo, and I'm a memory improvement writer and blogger at the Nemo Bay. In the next lessons, you will learn all about one of the most powerful existing memory techniques and how you can apply it in your daily life to ensure your success in different situations that you face every day. After you have learned in the previous course of this series dedicated to the Loci method how to create the structure on which you will place the mnemonic images, in this course you will learn how to create these mental pictures by encoding the information into memorable images. The Dominic system is one of the easiest to learn, and for this reason it is used by many people who train their memory, including mental athletes participating in memory competitions. As you will see in this course, using this method really can make many aspects of your life much easier. What is the challenge of this course? In this course, I want to make you understand what memory improvement is about and see for yourself just how simple and handy this skill is. After you understand how it works, and I guarantee that you'll understand it after watching this course, improving your memory will be just a matter of consistency and practice. The Memory Expert Tools series will be continued with other courses dedicated to the most powerful mnemonic techniques. If you want to go further and learn other advanced memory techniques used by memory athletes in competitions, I also recommend you to enroll in the next courses of this series. To stay up to date with my future project, just subscribe to my blog, The Nemo Bay, and I will keep you informed about them. And don't worry, I promise not to spam you. Now, let's begin our lessons.